Okay, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I got a fresh new package from Amazon. An Eafengrow EF55 Desert. Before I start into the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell so you can see more videos of me when I release them. Alright, here we go. This is the response that was X9, but here's the one I'm opening. Eafengrow. Okay, the second one I bought in a row, so I hope the tool came with it. It's supposed to. Let's see. All right. Hopefully I have sound too. And all right, the tool is here. Awesome. I was concerned about the tool. Sometimes I read that they sometimes are a little loose on some of the screws, but all right. So there's the knife. It's here's the tool it comes with. It's supposed to be for the tightening up of the pivot and take it apart if you want. So it did come with the tool, so that's good thing. Let's get the knife out. Alright, it's a little tight. I'm gonna have to, it's not super. There's the knife itself. It's supposed to be mimicking it's a nice looking knife. Like it's stiff right now. Wow. Have to really work this in. See if see if any of the screws are loose. People said that the screws have been loose. I guess I can. I'm putting a little. That one I did have to tighten it up a little bit. I guess people had started flicking it, and so one was kind of on the looser side. This one right here. So I did tighten that down. See this reverse side. None of the screws are missing. That one could have used that kind of tighten a little bit. I mean, I'm not really putting a lot of force on it, but yeah, just double checking them all. See the pocket clip, everything seems to be tight. There you go. So this is the tool. Let's see, still kind of stiff right now. It's not drop shut, definitely not drop shut right now. I think I don't know if I need to work on the pivot, loosen it. Well, I'll worry about that later. But it's supposed to be, oh, it's a kind of wicked looking knife. Let's take a close up of it. Yeah, it's supposed to be, like I said, a microtech copy of a socom or socom Elite. Has like a probably aluminum anodized blue color. Everything, so, but it's not drop shut. I think I will have to adjust the pivot. The other Eafengrow knife came, it was like drop shut. Lock up. It's not bad, but it's easy to engage and get it out. Still, like I said, it's tight. So anyways, so this is has the Desert Tan with D2 steel. There's the D2, and people are saying these are loose, but that doesn't seem to be loose. It's a liner lock. Obviously, you can see it right there. Yeah, I think I just need broken. Oh, see how. It's pretty sharp. It's actually not. It's really thick. Look how thick that blade is. People are talking about it's sharp on this indentation or filler. It's kind of sharp, but I don't know, not too bad. So it's total 8.5 inches. So let's see. Let's do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'd say almost 9 inches. Oh, 8.9. Yeah, it's about 8. So I misread it. So 8.9 inches. The handle is 5.1 inches. The weight is supposed to be 5.5 ounces. The blade length's 3.9, and of course it's supposed to be D-tooth. They say the hardness is 59 to 60. Width, let's see, blade width tall is supposed to be 1.8 inches. Blade thickness is pretty thick, is 0.16 inches. It's a nice thick blade. It should be really tough. It's actually a really comfortable knife, I think. So the clip is really strong. It's really strong. It's hard to move, so I don't think it'll bend. So let's take a look on the inside. Let's see. So it has that back spacer in the back, which, so let's see, I like it. It's really, G10 is on the smooth side. So let's see what my measurement tool says. Alright, so I am gonna read, where are we going? Mode, ounces. I read 5.95. So about just under 6 what I read. Yes, it definitely needs, you have to do a little wrist flick right now. I don't think I'll spray oil in there, and I think it'll be moved just fine. It has a lanyard hole. So like I said, it looks similar to the socom Elite from Microtech, but that costs like $280. This costs on Amazon $27.97. Amazon reviews 107, 4.3 stars on Amazon. I like it. I like, the only thing I need to break it in. I think it needs break-in period. Then I think it'll be alright. I was kind of like the other one is the Eafengrow I just bought, the CH brand. It just kind of, I could sit there and drop shut it. This one's not drop shutting, but it is not too bad. Came with the tool like some people say it wasn't coming with. Even the little pillar's kind of fancy looking. It's actually kind of nice. Oh, the jimping is on the G10. There's some here, but it's not really big enough to put a finger choil on. You know, it's not. It's more of a sharpening choil. And yeah, so kind of cool. I gotta break this in. That's all I can say. All right, I'm gonna call it quits on this knife, and remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell symbol so you can get updates on all my knives I get. And I do sharpenings, and sometimes I'll do some electronic reviews. So, all right, have a good day. Bye.